This is Disney's Mulan Tonie. It runs for a modest 30 minutes. It contains 4 songs from the movie using the original voice actors and the original recordings, so it's very good if you enjoyed the movie. And it includes the story of Mulan, read by Grandmother Fa.
Hello, I am Grandmother Fa, here to tell you the story of my brave granddaughter, Fa Mulan. But Mulan was no ordinary girl. You'll be surprised to find out how she brought honor to us.
If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up or share it with somebody else who you think might enjoy it, and thanks again for watching.